For 5 years, I was working as a social media marketer and a graphic designer for a remote company based in the US. So, working with them was the best moment in my career because it has been my training ground for years. So, I learned how to multitask because we serve not only one client but five. I learned how to engage more and think fast. So I started to learn how to create and market a brand through brand identity design, logos, and web design. So that was when I learned that UI, UX, or web design and development has a special place in my heart. Hey guys, this is Franz. I'm a full stack designer based here in the Philippines. And in today's video, I'm going to share how you can successfully transition from working 9 to 5 into a full-time freelancer. Let's go. So there will come a time in your life when you want to explore more and maybe get out of your comfort zone. So working with the team has been my comfort zone because number one, because the pay is good and I got a chance to invest in real estate as my reward. However, I needed to do more and challenge myself more to do something else or try my luck at it, which is becoming a full-time freelancer, catering web design, development, and also branding. So I discussed it with our CEO and the team who really understand my situation, and I'm just glad that they supported me all throughout the process. So after leaving the company, I didn't hustle immediately because, believe it or not, I got sick for weeks. So my body used to be awake at night because I worked from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. for 5 years. So for a month or two, I needed to rest first and have my body and mind ready for new things to work on. So here are the tips that I did in preparation to becoming a full-time freelancer. So number one is plan for your financial stability. So financial stability is crucial for freelancers to sustain their careers and achieve their long-term goals. So as an independent worker, it's essential to proactively manage your finances, including budgeting effectively, saving for emergencies, and planning for retirement. Having at least 6 months of funds will keep you going and sane. Trust me. Number two is identify your niche. So identifying your niche is a vital step in establishing yourself as a successful freelancer. So by understanding your skills, researching the market, and narrowing down your focus, you can position yourself as an expert and attract clients in your target market. Remember guys that finding your niche is an ongoing process. So stay open to refining and adapting your skills along the way. Embrace your uniqueness, leverage your strengths, and embark on your freelancing journey with confidence. Number three is develop your portfolio. This is, I think, the most important thing, especially when you're transitioning into a UX and UI designer. So a compelling freelance portfolio can be the difference between winning a client or being overlooked. Take the time to thoughtfully curate your best work, present it professionally, and include testimonials that speak to your abilities. Remember guys that regularly update and refine your portfolio to reflect your growth and expertise. So by showcasing your skills and expertise effectively, you will captivate potential clients and increase your chances of landing rewarding freelance opportunities. So number 4 is set your rates. Setting your freelance rates requires careful consideration of your experience, market demand, and also competition. So evaluate your skills and expertise, research the market, and define your desired income and also financial goals. Remember to highlight your unique value proposition to justify your rates and differentiate yourself from your competitors. Remember, guys, that pricing is not static and it's important to reassess and adjust your rate as your experience and market presence grow. So, with a well defined pricing strategy, you can confidently establish rates that reflect your worth and also attract clients who value your expertise. So number 5 is build your network. So building a strong freelance network is essential for long-term success. So you can attend industry events, connect with fellow freelancers, and leverage social media platforms to expand your network and unlock new opportunities. Networking is not solely about self-promotion. It's about establishing meaningful connections, offering support, and fostering mutually beneficial relationships. So by actively engaging with your network, you can position yourself as a trusted professional in your field and open doors to exciting freelance opportunities or freelance endeavors. So number 6 is secure clients. So securing clients as a freelancer requires a proactive and strategic approach. So identify your target clients, reach out to them through personalized outreach, and leverage online freelance platforms to expand your reach. So build strong relationships with clients by delivering exceptional work, offering value beyond expectations, and seeking testimonials and referrals. So with dedication and a client-centric mindset, you can establish a solid client base that fuels your freelance success. So number 7 is manage your time. So mastering time management as a freelancer is crucial for productivity, meeting deadlines, and also maintaining a healthy work-life balance. So establish a clear schedule, prioritize tasks, and set realistic deadlines. Create a productive work environment. Practice effective time blocking and prioritize self-care. So by implementing these strategies, you can optimize your time, achieve greater efficiency, and enjoy the benefits of a balanced and fulfilling freelance career. So number 8 is handling taxes and legalities. So create a comprehensive contracts and agreements to establish a clear expectations with your clients. So seek professional guidance so when needed, and stay updated with legal and tax regulations. So by handling these considerations diligently, you can now focus on your freelance work with peace of mind, knowing that you are operating within the legal framework and maintaining a solid foundation for your business. Number 9 is overcoming common challenges. So freelancing offers numerous advantages, but it also presents unique challenges that freelancers must navigate to thrive in their careers. So, implement effective time management techniques to boost your creativity or your productivity and maintain work-life balance. So, combat isolation by engaging with communities, attending events, and seeking collaboration and opportunities. So, even attending and have some coffee with your peers. So cultivate self-discipline and motivation by setting clear goals. Number 10 is staying motivated. So sustaining motivation as a freelancer requires a combination of goal setting, progress tracking, positive mindset, cultivation, inspiration seeking, and also support from others. So, set clear and achievable goals, celebrate milestones, and maintain a positive mindset. So, seek inspiration from diverse sources and engage in continuous learning. So, remember to establish accountability and support structures to stay on track. So, by implementing these insights and strategies, you will be better equipped to navigate the freelancing world and achieve success on your terms. So, remember that freelancing is not an overnight success, so it requires discipline, hard work, and working smart. So remember, guys, that freelancing offers incredible opportunities for growth and fulfillment. So stay focused, be adaptable, and enjoy the journey as you carve your own path as a successful freelancer. I hope you learned something new from this video on how you can be a successful full-time freelancer. So if you like this video, you know the drill. Like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. So good luck and may your freelance career soar to a new height. Bye-bye!